Covalent bonds form when atoms share electrons to fill their outer shells, while ionic bonds form when one atom gives electrons to another, creating oppositely charged ions that attract each other. Think of atoms like kids who want a full lunchbox to feel stable. In a covalent bond, two kids pass snacks back and forth, so each has what they need, and they end up holding hands together, sharing the food. In an ionic bond, one kid gives a snack to another, so one has extra and the other has none, and then they stick together because one is positively charged and the other is negatively charged, like magnets. Covalent bonds usually occur between atoms that are similar in how strongly they pull on electrons, so sharing is fair, while ionic bonds happen when one atom pulls much harder and takes the electron instead. Covalent compounds often make molecules that can be gases or liquids and do not conduct electricity when solid, whereas ionic compounds form a lattice that is solid and brittle and conducts electricity when melted or dissolved. A common mistake is thinking every bond is either purely covalent or purely ionic. Most bonds fall somewhere in between, so it is better to think in degrees of sharing versus transferring, and you can check electronegativity differences to see which way a bond leans. Another error is assuming covalent means weak and ionic means strong. Bond strength depends on many factors like bond length and charge, so compare specific examples rather than labels. Students also often forget that ionic compounds conduct electricity only when ions can move. So if a student expects a solid ionic crystal to conduct, remind them the ions are locked in place until melted or dissolved. For more clear videos and practice on covalent and ionic bonds, visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources on the topic.